All right. Hey, gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, Shawn Pigg. If you haven't watched any of my videos, I encourage you to do so because there may be something there that brings clarity in your life or gives you confirmation on what you're looking to do. That's what my goal is here. And I hope that I'm able to inspire you. Listen, I'm very successful, so I don't need to do this. I'm doing it because this is what I'm supposed to do. And tonight, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you my life and how I take additional challenges every single day. So right this minute, as you can see in my kitchen, I have all these bananas, right? And they're going to start going bad. I don't want to throw these bananas away. So I'm making banana pudding. Look at this, all this banana pudding. I'm making it now. And and today for dinner, I made pot roast right there. I don't know if you can see it. Stuff is good. Yep. And look, I even got a dehydrator. I'm going to dehydrate some bananas as well. There's my banana pudding recipe right there. So the reason I'm telling you this is because it's taking the extra step in life. Some of you may be married. Some of you may have significant others that cooks every night. And for men, warriors, we think it's not our job to cook. No, it's our job to do everything. Absolutely everything. So I'm going to put this up here. This is a new thing here, so I'm going to try to work it. But everything is a brand, everything, here we go. I'm saying this is a brand new thing. So check this out. Challenge yourself every single day in life to do something new. Do something you haven't done before. I don't care if it's changing brakes. I don't care if it's doing an oil change on your car. I don't care if it's putting a roof on your house. I don't care if it's building a deck on your damn house. I don't care if it's doing plumbing or electricity. I don't care if it's cooking. I don't care if it's running a successful internet business or a retail business. I don't care what your dream and your passion is. Take that extra step to do it. Now, what you have to do in order to achieve these steps of success is to have milestone victories. So in this prime example here, I'm going to make this. I'm going to make this banana pudding. And it's going to be absolutely the best damn banana pudding that anybody ever ate. It's going to be the best. Why? Because I made it, first of all. And second of all, I have enough faith and confidence in myself that I'm going to make a damn good banana pudding. Make that banana pudding. So when that banana pudding is done, you achieved and succeeded at a goal or an objective or an obstacle or whatever you may. If you hate cooking, then it's obviously an obstacle and a challenge. If you love cooking, then do something different. It's all about the challenge that you do for yourself in life. Every single thing that you encounter is an experience, and you learn from that experience, and it's a challenge. It's a challenge. Everything's a challenge. So let's say something happened. For example, you get a flat tire. So now you're challenged to fix that flat tire. So you can sit on the side of the road and call AAA or call a company to come and fix your tire, or you could get your ass out of the car and fix your own tire. The reason I'm telling you this, and a tire is, to me, like everybody on earth, that's like fishing. If you don't know how to fish, you better go out there, put your fishing pole in the water and start fishing. Life as we know it is changing. The world is changing. Between politics, the economy, the world, the nature, like the storms, the whatever they call it. I don't use these political words, but the earth is heating up or cooling down. The earth is flat or round. It doesn't matter. You're a male or you're a guy or girl or neither, or unknown. It doesn't matter. Everything that we know right now in life is changing. And we can just go ahead and give this to this. It's bullshit. Give it to the political parties that are in power. Give it to the rich that keep getting rich. I listened to a song, Oliver, a rich man, I think, a Richmond or something like that. A great, great, great song, because he's speaking the truth. The world as we know it we're losing. We are losing as people. We're losing. And unless we understand and learn and get this experience for this new day and age, we're going to go behind. We're going to fall. We're going to crash. And only the strong will survive. The strong, you know who the strong are? People who can cook food. You know who the strong are? People who can budget their own bills. You know who the strong are? People who can make their own money and not depend on another job, because that's becoming obsolete. Everything has planned obsolescence, and a job is a planned obsolescence. What they taught us in school is bullshit. What they're teaching you now in school is bullshit. It's the only thing that has not been reformed since inception. It's bullshit. You need to draw it in from inside of you. Bring it out. Become a warrior and go out there and stand on the front line. No matter what kind of obstacle or challenge is brought before you, you will succeed. And if you don't have the answer, guess what? We all have Google. Matter of fact, here's my Google right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm making banana pudding. Here's my recipe. It's going to be the best damn banana pudding you'll ever eat. Promise you. Now, here's the biggest thing. Let me show you how messed up things are. You ready? I'm just gonna throw this out there because my mind's a little blown away tonight, and I'm just gonna explain to you how things are messed up. So these bananas here, I got all for free. Walked into the grocery store, they're getting ready to throw them away. I'm like, why are you throwing them away? And this was 2 days ago. There wasn't a spot on them 2 days ago. They were perfectly good bananas. Why are you throwing them away? Why are you taking those bananas to the dumpster? Let me take them. You know why? I could dehydrate them bananas. I can make banana nut bread, banana bread. I can make banana pudding. I can make banana muffins. I can make banana eggs. I can make banana, what are those things called? Crepes. I can make banana crepes. I can make there's 35 recipes on bananas. Not only that, you can cut these things up, put them on a platter, put them in the freezer, let them freeze, then scoop them and put them in a sandwich bag and save them for 3 months. This is food. This is food that our country is wasting when there's people out there that don't have any freaking thing to eat. So you as a man should not let this happen, because us men are losing control. We're losing control by the political party. We're losing control by the richness of the people. I have money. I'm not super rich, but I'm good. I'm comfortable, but I'm not complacent. I'm not desensitized. And I also know for one thing's for sure is that I'm not going to watch everybody else crash because they're not being educated properly. That is my job. My job is to educate you, to help you save money, help you make money, help you live a better life, help you heal yourself internally, spiritually, everything. That's my job. That's my calling on life. And that's what I'm going to do. And, I do get discouraged. Some days when I see, my videos don't have, 300-400 likes or, comments or that. I'm like, what the hell? Why isn't this thing going viral yet? Why it hasn't been going viral? Because I haven't been myself. And now I'm becoming myself. I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to educate you. I'm going to teach you about every experience I've had in life. And I promise you, I've had a lot of them. A lot of them. Success is not overnight. You're not going to wake up tomorrow and whatever you wish is going to be in your hand. It's not going to happen that way. It's going to be like this. There was a book I read one time by Harry S. Dent. It was called Roaring 2000. And it talked about the S-curve. How every product innovation, it goes through an S-curve. It means it goes through, innovation. It goes through production. It goes through mass production. It goes through saturation. It goes through an S-curve. And then eventually they'll flatline. That's the same way a human mind operates. You're going to go like this. You're going to go like this, like this. Now, it's up to you if you're going to stay here or go back up here. It's totally up to you if you're going to bend that S-curve and go back to the top. So no matter what you're facing, no matter what experiences you're going through right now, you need to transform your mindset and turn it into positivity and understand and learn from the lesson that you've been taught, because everything is a lesson. One thing nobody can take away from you is knowledge. So you can go to school all you want. I'm not cracking school. I'm not dishing school. I encourage you to go to school, graduate, move on, climb the corporate ladder, get retirement, 501k, do all that great stuff that they teach you. You can continue on. But those that hear me, The knowledge and education you're going to get is from life experience, from doing things on your own. 100%. If you never change your oil in your damn car and you're not a millionaire, change your damn oil. If you never put a roof on a house and you're not a millionaire, put a roof on a house. If you never parked your own car and you're not a millionaire, park your own car. If you've never cooked banana pudding and you're not a millionaire, cook banana pudding. Actually, you could be a millionaire. I should say billionaire now. Millionaire. What is a millionaire? What a millionaire is it's outdated. Yeah, to be a millionaire, you're not even. You know how many millionaires are in the United States? You know how many millionaires are made every single day in the United States? You know why? Because money is easy to get. It's your mentality that is preventing you from the success and achieving your ultimate goal and your financial desires and destiny in life. That's all it is. There's nothing else, nothing more. It's your mind. Money is so easy to get. Creating new things is so easy to do now. Look at the technology coming out. Look at the opportunities coming out. And I have somebody call me. So I'm going to go back and make my banana pudding. I just wanted to do this video, and I'm going to do more like this from my heart, because when I talk from my heart, I promise you, you're going to see what I'm trying to get through to you. If I connect with you, please do me a favor. Like this video. Please comment, subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more. I'm getting built up. I'm getting warmed up. I'm getting fired up. And I'm telling you, I'm getting ready to bring a lot of knowledge to each and every one of you. Only if you have an open mind to receive what I'm going to teach you about. If you don't have an open mind, shut this video off and think that you're king shit. Shut the video off and go somewhere else. Because I can tell you this, when you think you're king shit and you're done learning, that's when you fail. I am not done learning. I learn every single day. I'm learning YouTube right now and this TikTok stuff, TikTok channel. I looked around like from my iPad. I'm learning TikTok and YouTube. I'm learning every single day of my life. And I'm encouraging you to do the same thing. And I'm starting with this. Learn how to cook. Learn how to cook, because your spouse, your husband or wife or significant other, the cook of the family, is not going to be there forever. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay in touch with me and like and subscribe. I have to get back to cooking. Thank you for listening.